Hello, this is Jeff, and welcome back to How to Noodle with Mr. Noodle. On this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your drawer from this to this. To make that transformation, you're going to need a Rev-A-Shelf drawer liner from Rev-A-Shelf.com. You can find that at www.rev-a-shelf.com. This is what the Rev-A-Shelf drawer liner looks like. You're going to need a tape measure, and you're going to need a utility knife and a marker. To make sure you're ordering the right Rev-A-Shelf drawer liner, you're going to need to take your tape measure and measure from the back of the drawer to the front on the inside. In my case, I have about 19 3/4 of an inch, and then from side to side as well. You can see here I have about 11 3/8. Once you have your measurements, go to the Rev-A-Shelf website and pick the drawer liner that fits within a certain range that'll fit your drawer. That's all explained on the website. Alright, now once you have your measurements, you'll want a piece of plywood or something a little more robust to do your cutting on. You wouldn't want to cut it on your granite countertop, as you might score the countertop. You want to take your tape measure and transfer your measurements to the back of your Rev-A-Shelf drawer liner. In my case, it's 11 3/8, so I'll make a mark there and a mark equally on the other side. And I'm going to do the same thing here. 11 3/8. I'll make a mark there and another mark here on the other side. Now take a square or some type of straight edge, lay that on there, and draw a line all the way to the end. And this is the line you're going to cut with your utility knife. Turn that around. Do the same thing on the other side. Alright, and then we also have to do, so in my case the drawer was 19 3/4, so we're going to cut this at 19 3/4. Again, 2 marks, that way you can line up your square. Whoops, it was 19 3/4, I almost made a mistake. A good tip is to measure twice and cut once, because you can't put the material back in place. Alright, we want to draw our last line here. Alright, out of the way. Now let's make our first cut here. You'll probably have to run this a couple of times to score it all the way through. It's pretty thick plastic. Alright, there's one cut. Now let's cut the other side. You notice I have my thumb running across this edge right here. That kind of gives me a guide to help keep it straight. It also helps to have a pretty sharp utility knife. The sharper it is, the easier it's going to be to cut through this stuff. Alright, now one final cut here. go. Now our sides are cut. This will fit completely in our drawer. So now we're going to take it over and insert it into the drawer. Alright, the easy way to insert your Rev-A-Shelf drawer liner is to take the drawer out, and while you have it out, give it a good cleaning. Once it's clean, go ahead and put in your drawer liner. It's really that easy, and look how nice that looks. No more silverware shifting around or getting stuck behind something where you can't get it. This is a great way to organize your drawer. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and there'll be links below to the website and some of the tools that I use for this project. Thanks for watching.
Please